हेलो स्टूडेंट, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको द आंट एंड द ग्रास हॉपर, चींटी और टिड्डा बाय डब्ल्यू.एस. मॉर्गन के एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। फर्स्ट, इन दिस एडमायरेबल फेबल से लेकर के क्लासिक देन गो एंड डांस पैरा फर्स्ट यूपी बोर्ड 1989 में आया था। रेफरेंस, these lines have been taken from the lesson The Ant and the Grasshopper, written by W.S. Morgan, a famous novelist, short story writer, and a playwright. Context: in these lines, the writer tells us about the nature of the ant and the grasshopper in La Fontaine's fable. Explanation: the writer says that there was an ant which worked throughout the summer. It stored food for winter. The grasshopper sat on a blade of grass and sang happily throughout the summer. The season of winter came. There was snow everywhere. The ant had a good stock of grain. It sat comfortably in its hole. The grasshopper had only sung and cared to store no food, so it had nothing to eat. It went to the ant and begged for food. The ant refused to give anything. It told the grasshoppers to go and dance. Novelist means उपन्यासकार, playwright means नाटककार, grasshopper means टिड्डा, comfortably means आराम से। नेक्स्ट है आई डू नॉट एस्क्राइब से लेकर के प्रूडेंस एंड कॉमन सेंस पैरा सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट है। ये यूपी बोर्ड 1995 और 98 में आया था। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: इन हिज चाइल्डहुड द ऑथर वाज टॉट that a hard-working man passed a happy life and a lazy man suffered. He had heard the story of a busy ant and a lazy grasshopper in support of this view, but he did not agree to this moral. Explanation: the author could not believe in the story The Ant and the Grasshopper. He did not believe that hard work is rewarded and laziness punished. What it was perhaps the immaturity of childhood which did not allow him to have faith in that story. He thought just the otherwise and loved the lazy grasshopper and not the busy ant. He had a strong hatred for the ant. The result of this kind of thinking was that whenever he saw an ant anywhere, he crushed it under his foot. The writer did not have faith in the lesson taught through this fable. He has found out that wisdom, intelligence, and hard work do not pay in life. He feels that lazy people are better off in life than the hard working people. बिलीव मी, विश्वास करना। सफ़र में मुसीबत उठाता है। व्यू मीन्स विचार। रिवार्डेड मीन्स पुरस्कृत होता है। पनिश्ड मीन्स दंडित होता है। इम्योच्योरिटी मीन्स अपरिपक्वता। अदरवाइज मीन्स विपरीत। हैट्रेड मीन्स घृणा। विजडम मीन्स बुद्धिमानी। पे मीन्स लाभ देते हैं। लेजी मीन्स सुस्त कामचोर। नेक्स्ट है आई कुड नॉट हेल्प से लेकर के ट्रबल अगेन पैरा थर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट है। ये यूपी बोर्ड 2003 में आया था। रेफरेंस सेंग में है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: देयर वेयर टू ब्रदर्स, जॉर्ज रैमजे एंड टॉम रैमजे. जॉर्ज वाज द elder one and used to earn and behave like a good man. Tom, the younger brother, was a rogue. He spent thoughtlessly and depended on his brother. Explanation: the writer says that one day he saw George taking lunch all alone in a restaurant. It reminded the writer of a fable in which a laborious ant lived comfortably in the winter while an idle grasshopper had to starve for food. The writer comments that George looked very sad, as if he was the saddest man on the earth. His eyes were fixed at the sky. He appeared so much worried, as if he had all the worries of the world with him. His sadness made the writer also sorry. He at once thought of his younger brother Tom, who always took money from him and spent it thoughtlessly. So he thought that George was sad due to some new trouble created by his younger brother Tom. Rogue means बदमाश, thoughtlessly means मूर्खतापूर्वक, depended means निर्भर रहता है, reminded means याद दिला दी, laborious means परिश्रमी, to starve means भूखा मरना, comments means टिप्पणी देता है, worried means चिंतातुर, created means पैदा की गई। नेक्स्ट है बट ही ऑलवेज से लेकर के टू सच इंटेस्टमेंट। पैरा 4 यूपी बोर्ड 1991 में आया था। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट हियर द ऑथर डिस्क्राइब्स हाउ टॉम borrowed money and spent it on luxuries. He also described how George was serious and economical. Explanation: Tom was like the grasshopper of the fable. He did not believe in spending money to meet his necessities of life only. He enjoyed spending his loans on eating, drinking, and enjoyment. He always asked his elder brother George to give him money to pay off the loans. He had charming ways to get his aim. On the other hand, George was a man of serious nature. He was ignorant of Tom's false promises and believed his words. Economical means मितव्ययी, necessities means आवश्यकताएं, aims means उद्देश्य, serious means गंभीर। नेक्स्ट है once or twice से लेकर के his hands of him। पैरा 4 है। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन these lines the writer narrates Tom's tricks that he played upon his elder brother George to befool him for money on several occasions. Explanation: the Tom gave word of his elder brother George that Tom would give up all of his bad habits and would be a good man in future. George believed that Tom would really improve. Therefore, he gave Tom big sum of money in good faith. In short, some business etc. But Tom did not start any business. He bought a motor car and also very costly ornaments with jewels in them. Thus Tom cheated George several times. At last, George became hopeless and thought that Tom would never improve in life and would never start any business. Thereafter, George stopped helping Tom with money. Narrates means विवरण देता है। ट्रिक्स मीन्स चालाकियाँ। टू बी फूल मीन्स मूर्ख बनाना। ओकेजन्स मीन्स मौके। गिव अप मीन्स छोड़ देना। सम्स मीन्स राशियाँ। फैथ मीन्स विश्वास। इम्प्रूव मीन्स सुधारना। नेक्स्ट है द टॉम सैड से लेकर के जॉर्ज पैड। पैरा 4 इम्पोर्टेंट है। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट हियर द ऑथर डिस्क्राइब्स हाउ Tom blackmailed his elder brother George for money. Explanation: Tom was once again penniless. His brother also refused to pay him any money, so he began selling wines in a bar and driving a taxi in public. George asked Tom not to work in a bar or as a taxi driver. Tom said that selling wine or driving a taxi were quite honorable jobs for him, but he would give them up if George gave him enough money to meet his demands. George was worried for the honor of his family, so he paid Tom money for the sake of the honor of the family. Thus, Tom once again blackmailed George. Penniless means निर्धन। refused means मना कर दिया। बार मीन्स वह दुकान जहां शराब खोलकर बेची जाती है। ऑनरेबल मीन्स सम्मानपूर्ण। गिव अप मीन्स त्याग देना। डिमांड्स मीन्स मांगे। वरीड मीन्स चिंतित। नेक्स्ट है ही वाज डिटरमाइंड से लेकर के सेटल द अफेयर्स। पैरा फिफ्थ रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट देयर वेयर टू ब्रदर, द एल्डर वन वाज जॉर्ज, ही वाज ए नाइस ऑनेस्ट एंड responsible man. Tom, the younger brother, was a rogue and cheat. Tom once cheated a man, Pronsa. The news reached his elder brother George. Explanation: Pronsa told George that he had been cheated by Tom. Tom with the younger brother of George. George wanted to save his younger brother, but Pronsa wanted to prosecute Tom in the court so that the rogue might be sent to jail. Thus George was put to much trouble. After facing a lot of trouble, Pronsa agreed for a compromise on receiving £500 from George. So George had to make this payment for the sake of his selfish brother. ऑनेस्ट एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल मीन्स ईमानदार एवं जिम्मेदार, रॉगी मीन्स बदमाश, चीट मीन्स धोखेबाज, प्रोजिक्यूट मीन्स सजा दिलाना, कोर्ट मीन्स अदालत, ट्रबल मीन्स परेशानी, कंप्रोमाइज मीन्स समझौता, सेल्फिश मीन्स स्वार्थी। नेक्स्ट है ही वाज ए मोस्ट अम्यूजिंग से लेकर के विदाउट फीलिंग दैट आई वाज इन हिज डेप्ट। पैरा 6 है, इम्पॉर्टेंट है, रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: In these lines, the writer tells us about the friendly nature of Tom, though he was a worthless fellow. Explanation: W.S. Maugham says that Tom was a good friend. People liked him much for his interesting nature. Though he was good for nothing, people still enjoyed his company. He was never sad, always happy. He was handsome beyond belief. The younger brother always took money from the author of this lesson, but the author never felt ill of it when he lent him money for his survival. The author always gave him money, yet felt obliged that Tom borrowed money from him. Friendly nature means मित्रवत स्वभाव, गुड फॉर नथिंग मीन्स यूजलेस बेकार, हैंडसम बियॉन्ड बिलीफ मीन्स अत्यधिक सुंदर, नेवर फेल्ट इल ऑफ इट मीन्स का बुरा नहीं माना, सर्वाइवियल मीन्स जीवित रहना, फेल्ट ऑब्लाइज मीन्स कृतज्ञता का अनुभव किया। नेक्स्ट यू आर नॉट गोइंग से लेकर के प्रोविडेंस टू प्लेस मी। पैरा 7 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: जॉर्ज the good elder brother recalls here the manner in which he passed the long years of his life. Explanation: George says that throughout his life he has been working hard to earn his livelihood. He has been decent to his wife, children, and to his friends. He has been simple hearted and never cheated anyone. He had worked hard and wanted to save money for a regular income after retirement. He has been having faith in the will of God. He never doubted his position in which God had placed him. He always felt satisfied with his condition and went on doing his duty without any complaint. रिकॉल्स मीन्स याद करता है, मैनर मीन्स तरीका, लिवलीहुड मीन्स रोजी रोटी, डिसेंट मीन्स अच्छा भला, चीटिस मीन्स धोखा दिया, रिटायरमेंट मीन्स अवकाश ग्रहण, फैथ मीन्स विश्वास, बिल मीन्स शिक्षक, ग्रूड मीन्स कोड़ना, कंप्लेंट मीन्स शिकायत। नेक्स्ट है आई कुड नॉट हेल्प इट से लेकर के दैट इज सॉवरेन। पैरा 7 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: जॉर्ज टेल्स द ऑथर दैट इन स्पाइट ऑफ पासिंग ए गुड एंड laborious life, he was still poor and worried for his future. On the other hand, his brother Tom, who had been a cheat and bad fellow throughout his life, became a very rich man. Suddenly, George felt sorry on this natural injustice. Explanation: as soon as the author saw George's very angry face, he could not control himself but burst into a noisy laughter. He became so much out of control that he fell in his chair and changed position in it. He could hardly check himself from falling down on floor. Such an unexpected behavior hurt the feeling of George, and he could never excuse the author for it in future. On the other hand, Tom remained good to the author. He often invited the author to very good dinners in his beautiful house in Mayfair, a fashionable locality in London. In his rich condition also, Tom asked the author to lend him small sums of money, which was not more than a sovereign, a British gold coin not in use now, yet he did it out of his old habit only. Worried means चिंतित, cheat means धोखेबाज, injustice means अन्याय, laughter means हंसी, unexpected means अप्रत्याशित, hurt means चोट पहुंचाई, excuse means क्षमा करना, remind means रहा, locality means बस्ती, Mayfair means लंदन की एक फैशनेबल बस्ती, टू लैंड मीन्स उधार देना, सॉवरेन मीन्स एक ब्रिटिश सिक्का, आउट ऑफ मीन्स के कारण। नेक्स्ट है 420 ईयर्स से लेकर के मोर देन 35, पैरा 6 है। रेफरेंस है में कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दीज लाइन्स द ऑथर गिव्स ए ग्लिम्स ऑफ द मैरी गो लकी लाइफ ऑफ टॉम। एक्सप्लेनेशन: Tom passed 20 years of his life in luxury and merrymaking. He wasted money in horse races and gambling. He enjoyed the company of the beautiful girls and spent money on them. He took those girls to club and dance with them. He used to eat in the restaurant which served food at very costly rates. His clothes was to wear very expensive. He remained so carefree, irresponsible, happy and tidy that even at the age of 46 he appeared as of 35. He maintained his health and glamour very well. नेक्स्ट है बट वन डे से लेकर के वाइफ एंड हिज ऑफिस, पैरा 4, रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: इन दी लाइन्स द राइटर डिस्क्राइब द सडन टर्निंग पॉइंट इन द लाइफ ऑफ द टॉम रैमजे। एक्सप्लेनेशन: वन डे, quite suddenly, Tom declared to give up his work. It was a sudden declaration without any previous warning. He also said that he would not live with his wife and children. He would lead a life of liberty and joy. He did not care for arguments people put forth against his decision. Finally, he deserted his wife and gave up his occupation forever. Thanks. Best of luck.